Good morning, kindergartners. Today for Reading Workshop, we are going to be talking about how we can use our voice to bring stories to life. And there's a couple different strategies that you can use to do this. One, I'm sure your teacher has talked to you about before, which is making sure that when you're reading, your voice sounds smooth. We don't want to sound like robots. So that's one that we've talked about in the past. Another one that we can do to make stories come to life is make our voice sound like the characters in the story. A third one is we can pretend that we're professional storytellers and use props and gestures and sound effects as we're reading. And the fourth one is to pop out important parts of the story, or to really have you focus in on those certain pieces in the story that we think are important. So today we're going to choose one of those. Today we're going to be working on making our voice sound like the characters in the story. And the book that I chose for this one is called Be Quiet. I'm gonna go ahead and take the cover off the book because it's gonna flap around a little bit too much if I leave it on there as we're reading. Plus on this one, they actually have some of the book on the inside of the cover here. So here's our first character that we see. Finally, I get my very own book to star in. This is going to be great. I'm going to make it a wordless book. They are very artistic. This book will have no words at all, starting now. Be quiet. Okay, starting now. Hi, Rupert. What are... Shh, be quiet. This book does not have words. Wowee, a wordless book? Can I help? Oops, I'm talking. Eep, I'm talking about talking. Stop. This book already started. You're messing it up. Please let me stay in the book. I promise to be quiet. I'll be extra wordless. Please? I said be quiet. This book is wordless. Hey guys, what's with all the shouting? Hi Fizzle, we're making a wordless book, but I've promised to be quiet, so I can't tell you about it. A wordless book? I love those. They're very artistic. Can I be in it? Yes, but we won't tell Rupert since we're not supposed to be talking. I told you to be quiet. You're putting too many words in the book. Yay, this book is going to be so fun. Quiet, you. This book will be more than fun. It will be visually stimulating. What does visually stimulating mean? I think it means we're going to poke our readers in the eyeballs with pictures. That's not what it means. It means we need to have strong illustrations. Like this. Arrgh! Look, we're helping. No, you're not. Be quiet. This book is wordless. Rupert is right, Nibs. What this book needs is some strong but silent types. Strong but silent. What about him? He's strong. He's silent. Every book needs a bear in it. I don't know. He looks grumpy. What about something cuter? What about a kitten? Kittens are super cute and friendly. Aw, look at its cute little nose and whiskers. And its beautiful big eyes and shiny teeth. Nibs, I think it's getting a little too friendly. Quick, think of something vegetarian. A cucumber. We'll just draw a smile on it and add some googly eyes. A vegetarian. Nibs, what exactly do you think a vegetarian is? Stop filling my brilliant piece of wordless literature with nonsense and stop talking. You're not taking this seriously. Is this more serious? What are you supposed to be, a president? No, I'm Vincent Van Mouse. I don't think everyone will get that. Can you try something a little simpler? We're simple. We're potatoes. Stop talking and stop changing the pictures around. I don't even like potatoes. Rupert is right. No more artistic stuff. Wordless books need action. We should have a silent superhero instead. We'll call him Captain Quiet, and he could fight words. Dun, 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 dun. Boom, pow, blam. No, no, no. No superheroes and no onomatopoeia either. I think Rupert just said, I'm a gonna pee. What do you think that means? I think it means he should have gone to the bathroom before the book started. What about mimes? Mimes are extra quiet. Guess what I'm miming? Let's see. Is it a cheese sandwich that thinks it's a hummingbird with a lettuce sweater? Don't you know what quiet means? It means don't make a sound. Right. It's like that saying about a tree falling in the woods. How's it go? Nibs, can you help? I'm on it. It goes something like, if a tree falls on someone who isn't listening in the woods, no, that's not right. Timber! Ah! Did the tree make a sound? It was hard to tell with all of Rupert's shouting. Should we try again? Enough. I have had it. All you two do is talk, talk, talk. I can't stand it. Can't you be quiet for just one page? I tried to do one thing, make a wordless book, and you two have to go and ruin it. You have filled this book with words. No one is going to want to read a wordless book that is filled with words. Why can't you do a simple thing like not say anything? Is it that hard? I am quiet. I am not saying anything. But no, you two just keep talking and 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 talking. Psst. What? Shh. Be quiet. This book does not have words. The end. I thought the book turned out okay. I hope we get to do another one soon. Honk. So what did you think of my voices? Did that help the story come to life? 3 different characters, 3 different voices, and it helped our story seem a little bit more exciting. At least I hope it did. So readers, starting today and forever and ever, if you want to make a story come to life, think about changing your voice. Have your characters sound a little bit different from each other as you're reading it. You can find a book like this one, Be Quiet, or any of the Elephant and Piggy books are really fun to change your voice to, or even some of the Pigeon books. So friends, I hope you enjoyed our story today of Be Quiet, and I hope you try out that strategy of changing your voice so that you have different characters as you're reading. See you next time.